Welcome back. Continuing the news. Efforts to cool off from the heat wave gripping the nation presented with challenges in one St. Andrew community. Our news team caught up with residents of Trenchtown, braving the scorching sun on Wednesday to get water. But what they have to do to get it is a task for the elderly.
We caught up with a group of residents as they were taking a shower at one of the very few places residents are able to access water on a daily basis in Trenchtown. The water gushing from this pipe comes from a nearby well at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex and is only available for certain hours of the day. Some residents have invested in garden hoses that they have connected to the central source at the roundabout and transport the commodity into their homes. This, however, is only a reality for residents who live in close proximity to the water hotspot. Try to imagine how hard this is for elderly residents to make the journey to the water source in this scorching heat.
For bathe, wash my clothes. I'm 3 weeks now, I don't wash my clothes. So the clothes in my bed in the house, no water. I cook my dinner. When I'm going up there for go catch water, look at most I tumble down because I can't see. And so, and I go up to some mountain go bathe. And then I peep on, when I'm driving the car, I'm just a peep on you, so. And you have to type and nobody come rape you. So you have a police jeep, a mountain circle every minute.
Lena Brown, Yvonne's neighbor, who is 76 years old, tells us about the struggles she's been facing.
Because I'm an elder, I'm not working, I'm just doing a little sell bleach and thing. So I would like to know what really taking place with this water system. Some of the older residents of Paradise Court told us how hard it is for them when the water truck doesn't come.
I can't manage to carry it. I forget somebody to do it for me. No, I've nobody. I cannot carry it because upstairs I live, 2 block up, and I cannot carry the water go up. So the problem is I always have to get somebody, or I have to wait until either the water truck come or something that I can get water.
According to the residents, the water truck has been to the community once since the start of this crisis, and it is costly to them to pay younger residents to transport water to their homes.
I have to pay sometime, the more than $50 to go for the water.
Yeah, I had us to pay $1,500 to some little youth about the place.
I have to pay some little guy about $200 or $300 to maybe a 4 or 5 buckets of water to full of drum water I have in the house.
Corporate Public Relations Manager at NWC, Charles Buchanan, says that the National Water Commission has made valiant efforts to produce tanks and other forms of support to areas that are affected the most by the shortage. However, he notes that areas such as Trenchtown fall in the category of non-revenue customers, and this affects the NWC's ability to supply the commodity. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.